Well, guys, we have a special treat for you today. Something a little bit different. And that is, we're going to be revealing our
Ancestry DNA tests that we had done.
Our DNA has been decoded and our ethnicity revealed.
Yep.
So, before we do it, take a guess. What do you think we are? Where do you think we came from? Our family tree, our ancestors?
What countries do you think our ancestors came from?
You had some ideas because you kind of know your family history.
Yeah, I knew I would have like Irish, Polish, and French Canadian.
Your grandmother was Polish, right?
100% Polish, yep. Her
So-
parents came from Poland.
My family, a little more mysterious. I wasn't sure where I was going to be. Evie got a test and she forced me to take a test.
Yeah.
Normally, I'm not the one to do stuff like this, but
Yep.
we
He
wanted
figured
to...
I was doing it, so he would do it.
Let's get right into it. You guys took your guesses. Let's find out. We actually revealed too much already, but
Yeah.
go ahead. You can tell your results.
So mine came back with 18 distinct regions.
Very multinational.
Yeah. So they have it done in like categories. So I'll start with the Celtic and Gaelic category first. So I have Munster, Ireland, 21%. And then Northern Wales and Northwest England, 8%. Central Scotland and Northern Ireland, 7%. Hebrides and Western Highlands, Scotland, 4%. Leinster, Ireland, 2%. And Brittany, France, 1%. Those were all the Celtic regions.
Even though one of them is France in there, this was interesting to me. It's because it's at like the tip of France where it's kind of more in the Irish area, right?
It's considered like a Celtic area
Did you know
of
that
France.
you could be French and Celtic at the same time?
Yeah.
Neat.
So of the Celtic stuff, I'm 43%. That's 43% Celtic.
What do you think? I mean, it makes sense, right?
Yeah.
So Celtic is like the Scottish-Irish
Yeah.
family. So mostly Irish out of that group. Interesting.
So the next category, it says Central and Eastern Europe, Southern Poland, 26%, Northeastern Poland, 6%, Lithuania, 2%, and North Central Europe, 2%. So yeah, that's 36% Polish region,
So you're 43
Irish,
Irish.
Celtic, and 36%
Polish. So that's like you're super Irish Polish.
And I thought it was cool that it found some Lithuania DNA, which is like right next to Poland.
Not to break this up, but I want to say that we did get our results done through Ancestry.
Yeah.
So that's-
Ancestry.com.
That's the company that went ahead and processed these. And so this is how they break up the family tree,
Yeah.
the top, the categories.
Next category is French Canada, Quebec, 7%, Acadia, 2%. So that's 9% French Canadian.
French Canadian, you guys know, is French people who live in Canada, right? But they came
Yeah.
from France, so it's essentially France.
And they've created like their own group of people, special DNA from that area
Yeah.
over time.
And that's actually really common for like where we came from, because we came from, like, we grew up in upstate New York. It's right next to Canada, so
Yep.
it makes sense for us to have Canadian.
Next category is Italy. Northeastern Italy, 3%. Southern Italy, 1%. So I'm 4% Italian.
That
That was kind of surprising to me.
shocking.
Yeah. This next one really shocked me. It's in the category Southeastern Europe. Northern and Central Greece, 4%. I'm Greek.
We had no idea.
That's totally weird. England, Northeast England, 2%. Okay, the next category is Nordic. Sweden, 1%. That was,
Tiny bit of Sweden.
yeah. I'm surprised that's there. I had no idea I had Swedish DNA, but that's cool. And the last thing is Western Europe, France, 1%.
that France, I think, can tie into the French Canadian in a way.
Yeah.
Because it's all France.
So if you added up the French stuff, it would be like 10%.
Yeah.
So that's me. Mostly Celtic, Polish.
Irish
French.
and Polish is the two big ones.
Yeah.
And then French, right?
Yeah. On the site, they show you a map of where all these regions are, so I'll show you that map.
Right. And the colored blobs represent all the areas that her DNA traces back to.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's my turn now.
Yep.
So believe it or not, the largest part of my ethnicity, DNA, what do we call this? Is it
Ethnicity?
Yeah. Comes from England. I'm an Englishman. So we have, in England, southeastern England and northwestern Europe, 38%. Northeast England, 6%, and Cornwall at 3%.
47% English.
47. That's almost half English. That's crazy.
Yeah.
That almost certainly, yeah, comes from my dad's side of the family.
Yep.
And that's weird because you weren't barely any English.
Yeah.
That was bad English.
My English stuff is like,
2%.
yeah, just 2.
2% English? Wow. So I also have French Canadian. We're joined
Similar.
in that. So I have Quebec at 25% and Acadia at 8%.
That's a lot. That's
3.
33% French Canadian.
English and French so far. I also have some Celtic and Gaelic. Central Scotland and Northern Ireland at 4%, little baby amount. Munster, Ireland at 3%. Southern Wales at 3%. And Hebrides and Western Highlands, Scotland, 2%. So let's see what the Celtic is 4, 7, 10, 12. 12%.
Compared to my 43%.
Yeah, she's way over me in the Celtic. I just have a baby amount. In Western Europe, I have Southern Germanic Europe at 3%. This one is my surprising one. This is the one that was like, whoa, how can that
Yeah.
be? Is in the, what is that?
Iberian Peninsula.
Portugal, 2%.
You're Portuguese?
Who would have thought that?
I have no idea. It's so weird.
And Basque at less than 1%. Nordic, Denmark at 2%. So she had Sweden.
Yep.
I have Denmark, 2%.
That was also shocking to see Denmark.
Yeah. And I am 1% Eastern Czechia.
In the Central and Eastern Europe. That was also shocking. Like
Yep.
random Czechia.
Yeah. So that's a lot to take in. You guys probably have to watch it again if you care to see what we're all about.
And we'll show a map of your areas too.
Yep. That's right.
So all of our DNA came from Europe and French Canada.
Yep.
Canada?
Yeah, that was it. We got our results.
I thought it was fun. I've been wanting to do that for a few years.
It took a while to get the results back, and you were anxious,
It took about 6 weeks for each of us.
and you kept checking it every day.
Yep.
Saying, what is taking so long?
We did it during the December sale that they did. It was like $30 a kit, and normally it's $100.
Yeah.
So there must have been a lot of people doing it.
So it took a while.
Yeah.
But we got it. It seems like they have improved. If you guys have taken this test in the past, it was more limited. They've expanded into like more precise.
Regions.
Yeah. So
Like in the past, the French Canada stuff used to be just France. But then they've pinpointed which DNA came from there and which DNA came from there.
yeah, pinpointed, more specific, more precise. So if you look at your results now, they might be a little different than they were in the past. Not different, but just more precise, more zeroed into what you are. I was surprised because I thought by my sloped forehead and protruding brow that I was Neanderthal, but perhaps they don't have that gene pool yet.
Yeah.
I don't know. But that wasn't in there, just English. Who knew?
Yeah. So if you haven't ever done one of these things, They send you a kit, you open it up, and it's like a tube, a little plastic tube that you spit into up to a certain line. And then you put the cap on, shake it, and then send it back in.
It's hard to fill.
Yeah.
You have to do a lot of spitting.
So that's basically how they get your DNA.
Yeah. And I was a little paranoid at first, I'll be honest, because the idea of giving my DNA out is kind of scary to me because I'm more like private and paranoid, and I'm like, I don't know if I want that out there, what are they going to use it for, you know, but people have been doing it for years, and you were doing it, and if you're doing it, well, who cares? I'll just do it.
Yeah.
Perhaps, you know, it's just the fear of nothing. I don't know. I don't think there's anything else to say. There was no real deep story here. We just wanted to share our results to let you guys know what we discovered about ourselves. Evie's been building a family tree and tracing back her ancestors and learning more about the past.
they were.
Yeah.
When they lived, where they lived.
So that's been fun. I haven't bothered,
You don't care about that stuff.
but I know she wants to.
Yeah.
Once she gets done with hers, she'll probably start looking into it. Who knows? So I think that's all we have for now. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
Bye.